Do the words bleed and flush scare you? Do you wince when you see a bleeder screw on a caliper? This is absolutely normal. All technicians feel this. But flushing the brake fluid and making sure that it's the correct quality for the vehicle and is not worn out is critical on every single brake repair. Some jobs, you're not going to have to bleed the brakes, especially pad replacement. But on some jobs where you're replacing a caliper, a master cylinder, or other hydraulic brake component, you're going to have to bleed and flush the system. If it's a maintenance service, well, bleeding and flushing is critical for maintaining the life of not only the calipers and master cylinder, but also the ABS HCU. So when you're doing the service, keep in mind that it should be done about every 2 years or consult the owner's manual for the service interval for the brake fluid. But brake fluid, when it does degrade, well, it's going to cause issues for the calipers. You're going to see corrosion inside, other issues with performance, and if the water level gets too high inside the brake fluid, it could cause boiling and brake fade. But brake fluid protects those critical hydraulic components that control the brake system, mainly the master cylinder and the ABS HCU. So flushing this and making sure it's the correct brake fluid for the vehicle is absolutely critical for the job, no matter if it's replacing brake pads or replacing a caliper. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.